Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna take a look at this faucet for the kitchen. As you can see, this is how it comes. If you have a 3-hole kitchen sink, this is the plate to cover the extra holes, and your faucet goes in the middle. It also comes with the hoses. It comes with this piece, so we can install it as well. Here are the instructions how to put it together. Fairly easy. So now we have installed the faucet. It didn't take too long, and as you can see, the sprayer works really good with a little bit of water. And if you want more water, you can use the other side, and if you want to use both, that's fine too. The secondary works to fill up pots faster. So everything's working perfect. I like the way it looks. It is a good high quality kitchen faucet. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.